let's go. And before going, subscribe my channel. Okay. Hello everybody. How are you all? Hope you all fine. So this video is for Aru. Today Aru bought a new pen. That pen is a 3D pen. Aru is saying that by that pen, whatever I will make, it will be in real. Okay. So today, let's see how it works. And first of all, you see the pen. How is this pen? From where we plugged in, from where what we do, and that Aru will tell, not me. Okay. So let's go. And before going, subscribe my channel. Okay.
So 3D pen.
How it works?
First, put it in filament. This is filament.
Okay.
And this is 3D pen stand and cable.
Stand and cable. Okay.
And this is 3D pen book details.
Details are written there. How to use it? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. So today, after reaching home, I will show you how to use this pen, 3D pen, and is it real or fake? Let's see.
This is fake. No, this is not fake.
This is real.
Yes, I show. This not photo. This is real video.
Okay. Today I will show everybody that it's real or not. Okay.
I will check first.
Okay. Aru is going to use it. इसको ऑन कैसे करते हैं? आगे मत छूना, वो गर्म होगा. ये पहले इसको यहाँ पे प्रेस करते हैं, ये स्टार्ट होगा और फिर लिखना स्टार्ट.
क्या ये सच में 3D पेन है? ये क्या चिपचिपा इतना?
इसका मतलब मैं सही था.
क्या बेकार समझ रही
ये लोकल पेन है.
बंद करिए इसे.
ये बटन दबाओ. कहाँ है? देखो.
कौन सा ये? एंड अब इसे थोड़ी 2 मिनट के लिए सूखने को चाहिए.
ये क्या है भैया? व्हाट इज दिस? वायर है कनेक्ट करने?
नहीं, ये इसका स्टैंड है.
इसमें ऐसे वायर अंदर फिट कर दिया जाए. हम सोचो वायर फिट करके ऐसे रख दीजिए. भैया इधर रबर बैंड रखा है.
सो ये है इसका लुक. और इसका कहाना कितना मुश्किल लग रहा है कि ये भी यही पिरामिड है.
ये लोकल पिरामिड लिया है तुम.
क्या है
ये? लोकल है, मैंने बताया था. I just told everybody.
ये तो टाइम पास के लिए ठीक है.
I told everybody that it is fake or real. You will see. We have saw that this is fake. Please don't take this type of equipment for your child. It is connected from electricity. Your child can get addicted to it, and also when he will use it, it will get what? Oh wow, we got it. Like Aru. Okay, now you are not going to use it.
This is called time pass.
Time pass. Okay.